It's a national responsibility. So I believe that the government of Nigeria should be working towards that. For me, I cannot say, but the governor of Delta State and the president of Nigeria should be able to plan that. But the best he deserves should be given to him. That's all I will say now.
Are there lessons we can learn from the latest elder statesman that young politicians who are still alive should emulate?
The first thing is you should have love for your country or your state. First, your country first. That is what has been in him. Nigeria first. Before his region and then before himself. So, and that can only be imputed in you when you have the fear of God. So every politician, every leader should have the fear of God. And then the nation first. And once you have that, I think we are heading for progress. So that's what I would tell every politician to do. Yeah, thank you.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Good evening.
Good afternoon.
It started by saying evening.
Just two.
I didn't want to.
It's 2 o'clock.
It's sort of like
Your name?
20-year pregnancy.
Right Honorable Tunde Akogun. Well, he's a nationalist. Indeed,
Loud.
a very senior Nigerian that we all are very proud of. He knows a lot of. Nobody knows everything about our country, no. But people like him know who we are, what we are, not only as people, but even as a nation itself. He's been a wonderful man, and for those who, yes, he's indeed a fighter. He can get through and win battle if it came to it. I mean, and he'll make all of us proud. Indeed, when we heard that he had gone across, been with us, as it were, today, if he was even going to be there. But we are proud of him. But Nigeria, as a nation, has lost him. But it doesn't mean has missed him. It means also that those who know him will learn a lot more about him. Both his children, our own children, and in fact, as nation in future, because those who are young today, now, will be there as mature people for Nigeria. God bless you.
That's good.
Well, I'm Honorable Ogede Ima Ego. I was a former member of the Federal House of Rep on the 8th and 9th Assembly, 2 times for Agbu of the Federal Constituency in Lagos State. Well, when I talk about Pike Clerk, I'm very sentimental because he's very special to me. The man was a real father to me. And he's a great man. I'm one of the authors of a book on him, which is called Ike Clerk, The Making of a Statesman. I want to say that he's been of very great help to me, especially when I had my first primaries in 2014, and I won the primary massively. But some top people in the PDP in Lagos State felt that they gave reasons that they believe I cannot win the election. I wanted to give it to somebody whose votes were less than half of mine. Around the whole of Lagos to see who can be of assistance. Until I remembered our father, and I came to him, and with one phone call to the leader of the party in Lagos, and the leader in Lagos confirmed that I actually won the election massively. And with an appeal that he did to that leader, the leader said, okay, I can have my result and represent. That started my political career in the Federal House of Rep. But Ike Clerk is more than just that. He was the leader of the Jaws. He was the leader of Niger Delta. And I dare say that he was even the leader of the entire South. Why do I say so? In the 2014 COFAB, the entire leaders of the South chose him to speak on behalf of the South. That is the 2014 COFAB. So he was a leader of the South. He was a great man, a man who is not afraid to say the truth, a man who is not afraid to talk to authority when he finds out the authority is wrong. A man who can tell his friends his truth, both those in high position and low position. And as you know, he was a man who helped the South a lot. It was his effort that put Jonathan there as a president when Obasanjo requested that he should recommend somebody. So Chief Kekere-Ekun is a Nigerian true and true. And like Ambassador Igali said, the last words that he said before he died was that I love Nigeria, I continue to remain Nigeria. So such a great man, you can see all those who are becoming here. I'm becoming here basically every day because I know that it's our father. I will have to give him the last respect. So Kekere-Ekun is a great man. And people like that don't come often in many generations. We pray that God should grant his soul perfect rest in peace. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.